as you're seeing now, part of the reason why we do what we do is equipment. And as you see now, like you're seeing this quick video and you're seeing all this equipment that we carry. It's all for the clients. Combo deal again, Westlake, here we are. We did a stationary with a door. We did a stationary with it for the small opening, and now we're doing our motorized here. And as we speak, as we're doing the patio, we have another crew inside doing their interior blinds. So this is a one-day event, just one day. We come, we finish, we're out of here. We bring a large crew, super seasoned, super experienced. We're here for you.
Vamos, si nosotros tenemos todo bien.
Ahora mismo te lo pregunto. Dale quieto. El motor está quieto. You know what I mean? Like, that's it. They don't see it.
Bill, this is one of your biggest lengthwise installs. How normal do they get bigger?
No, it's big. Okay, so it's about 24 feet, which is fine. We can get all the way to 30 feet. 30 feet by 20 feet, so we can put a big monster. We could also put, like you've seen in the past, we can do a door, a stationary door, and then we can attach. So if you have an opening that's like 40 feet, we can do two stationaries with a door in the middle, or if you have one that's 33 feet, we can do a door which is like about 3 feet, and then we can attach a 30-footer. So we're so versatile, we can do a lot. So there's not a challenge out there that we cannot do. Call us, give us a call, we'll help you out. We definitely need one more ladder, Charlie. Go grab one real quick. That you're not just securing the head box. This is just thin aluminum. You want to make sure that you're securing the actual bracket, the fascia bracket of it. If you don't secure that fascia bracket, you're in world trouble. This thing weighs 300-400 pounds. You want to make sure you're nice and in there, you know? With the right screws, the right equipment. It doesn't hurt that you use Milwaukee tools. It's a good drill. Guys, so here, unique, we're installing, we're actually done. Rain. You always ask me, does it stop the rain? Look how it stops that rain. Look, we're not getting wet. Look at all that rain. Look at all that rain that's holding. This is what I wanted you guys to see. Finally got to show you.
Camacho blinds, let's take it high. Custom creations reach for the sky. Elevate your space, feel the rhythm and light. With shapes so perfect, everything feels right.
Hey guys, it's Felipe again. I'm here today with a Westlake resident, Mr. Jehu Chung. And we actually, this is a neat one because Mr. Jehu actually learned about the product. He studied the product. He saw who was doing this correctly. He saw who went to classes for this, who's doing it on a daily, weekly basis. And just let them know your experience, man.
Sure. I've been doing my research. So before I moved in, the building process took probably about a year or so. So I researched a lot of companies, but I saw Camacho Blinds advertised on Instagram, Facebook, and I was really impressed because it wasn't necessarily the big things that you guys were doing. It was really like the small little details of quality. So I reached out to your wife Jennifer. She's very, very nice to get, go back and forth. But someone gave a quote, very patient, and especially if you're looking for a lot of options, I didn't feel rushed. And then we decided on the system, and then we decided to do a combo. So we did the blinds inside, and then we did the system outside, and I think it looks great. So very happy.
Not only the combo, he mentions the combo deal, we did a stationary door, which is nice because when this is down, he can just have easy, quick access to the side. He also had a small opening on this side, and we, because of bugs, because of mosquito and all that, we were able to put a stationary for him. It's kind of a small, odd opening, so we're able to seal it for him. So I'm happy you mentioned that the details.
You guys do a really good job, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
After finishing with our great client Jehu, the next day we head to another resident in the Pines community to do another combo deal.
Hey everyone, Felipe from Camacho Blinds again here on another Westlake project. And again, I keep saying the same thing over and over again, another combo deal that we accomplished here in Westlake. Here's a two opening exterior that we're doing today. And this is again by Sun Pro, installed by us, Camacho Blinds. We're finishing it up. Some of the job we did here, we did some of the electrical, and we'll show you here. The electrical is very clean. We don't do tubing, we don't do anything crazy like that. We always do things right. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're moving into a new home here and you want estimates on some of your combo deals, the best place to start is always call the office or go online to www.camachoblinds.com, and there you guys could go ahead and do an estimate, and we'll come out, we'll show you all your options, and we'll get together and work your combo deals.
Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm Orlando, the electrician here with Camacho Windows. We're setting up a task. Me and Camacho were pretty close friends. He has an emergency situation on another job. So I'm gonna stand by here. We're all familiar with what we gotta do. And we're gonna continue the project with absolutely no delays. Any questions we could always ask, but this became so simple now that it's convenient for all of us. I'll catch up with you.
Déjale a todo el mundo, sí.
Ya solo.
Look at it and see what he did.
La parte de esa, la parte de atrás, camina un poquito para ti nada más. Cuando tú ves temprano, una frita.
So, and my wife, same thing. She loves mangoes.
Ahí que vamos a sacar ya todo.
Roll, first one. And then we're put the cement on. That's another.
Espérate, que no te cuenta girar.
Obamacare in the humanities. Now, what humanities is this jerk on Trump?
Orlando.
Camacho blinds, let's take it high. Custom creations reach for the sky. Elevate your space, feel the rhythm and light. With shapes so perfect, everything feels right. Vertical or horizontal, we got what you need. Zebra shapes that flow, design